Good morning, students. Now, in our next question 5 of worksheet 1, chapter 8, see this figure, look at this figure. In this, few lines are given to you. First of all, we will recognize the lines here. This is line L, M, N, T, R. On line L, G and A are the points. On line M, F and B are points. On line N, E and C are points. On line R, G, F, E, D points lie on the line R, and A, B, C, D, these points lie on the line T. Now we have just a recap of intersecting and parallel lines. Intersecting lines which cut each other and parallel lines which do not meet anywhere. So in question number A, you have to tell all the pairs of parallel lines in this. See, if we see T and R, they cut each other. RN, they cut each other. RM, they cut each other. R and L, they cut each other. Similarly, N and T, M and T, L, T, they cut each other. So they cannot be parallel lines, so which never meet. See in this line L, M, they never meet. So LM are parallel. C, M and N, these are also parallel. C, L or M, N, these are also parallel because they do not meet anywhere. So parallel lines pair we will write like L and M, M and N, L and N. These three pairs of parallel line in this figure. Now next part, the lines whose point of intersection is E. See the point E, point of intersection is where two lines intersect each other. So you have to see which two lines intersect at E. So this line N and this line R, they intersect each other at E. So which line? N and R, they intersect at E. In next part, one set of four collinear points. I have drawn the figure here. Four collinear points. Collinear points are which lie on the same line. So on the same line, four collinear points are G, F, E, D. Yeah, A, B, C, D. These points are on R on the same line. These point on T on the same line. So you can write any. You can write G, F, E, D or A, B, C, D. Whatever you want to write, you can write. So A, B, C, D are collinear points. These are on line T. And you can also write G, F, E, D. These are also collinear. I am writing both. You can write one. G, F, E and D. These are on line R. Next is any four pairs of intersecting lines. You have to write any four pairs. So many pairs of intersecting lines are there. So, L and R, M R, N R, T R, N T, M T, L T. So you can write any four. So we can write L R, M R, N R, T, R. These are the pairs of intersecting lines. 4 pairs you have to write, so we have written 4. The point of intersection of line M and T. M and T. This is line M and this is line T. The point of intersection is B. So point of intersection of lines M and T is point B. Now point of intersection of line R and T. This is line R, this is line T. The point of intersection is D. So we will write point D is the point of intersections of line R and T. Now in question number 6, ABC are any 3 points in a plane. Join them in pairs. How many lines can you get if ABC are collinear? You know, if ABC are collinear, that they must be on the same line. So if I take point A, point B, point C, collinear, they have in the same line, we join them in pair AB, BC, and if I join AC, then how many lines we get? Only one, because when the points are collinear, we get only one line. If ABC are not collinear, so you can take anywhere. This is point A, point B, point C. Join them. If we join AB, BC, AC. So how many lines we get? 1, 2 and 3. So we get 3 lines. With collinear we get only 1 line. With non-collinear we get, how many points we are having? We get 3 lines. In question number 7, lines L and N are concurrent. What are concurrent lines? Lines passes through the same point. Also lines L, N and M are concurrent. Draw a figure and state whether lines R, L, M, N are concurrent or not. Now do this question in your registers. It is given that L, M and N are concurrent. So first of all we will take line L, line M and line R, N. So draw the lines L, M, N concurrent. Now you have to do also lines R, L and M concurrent. With M and L you have to take one more line R, which is concurrent to these 2 lines. So I draw one more line R, also concurrent to L and M. Now you have to tell whether lines R, L, M, N are concurrent or not. If you see the figure, R, L, M, N, these all are concurrent lines. So we will write yes, R, L, M, N are concurrent lines. After drawing this figure, we get that these 4 lines are concurrent to each other. Now if we move to question number 8, one figure is given to you and these lines are, this is line N, this is line Q and this is line L. Similarly this is line R, this is line L, P, M. So through these lines and points you have to give the answers of these questions. All lines concurrent at point A. This is point A and you have to find the concurrent lines at A. First of all, this line N is concurrent to point A, and then this line R, and then this line M. So these are the lines concurrent at point A. All the sets of collinear points, more than two on the same line are collinear. So if more than two points, three or more than 3 points are there on the same line, then we can say they are collinear points. So here B, F, A, they lie on the same line, so we can write these are collinear points. Then again, if we write B, G, E, they are also on the same line. These are the set of collinear points. Then B, D, C, they are also set of collinear points. Next, if we go to A, this we have done A, G, D, A, G, D on this line. Then A, E, C, A, E, C. Then if we go to point C, C, F, G, C, this is left, so we will write F, G, C. So these are the pairs of collinear points in this plane. No other is left, because if we start from here, GDA or AGD, that is the same. If we write CGF or FGC, that is the same. If we write EGB or BGE, this is the same. So do not repeat the points, pair the sets. We will write once only. It can be start from anywhere. The lines concurrent at point G. This is the point G, and lines passing through G is Q, then R, then P. So these are the lines which passes through G and concurrent at point G. The point of intersection of three lines L, P and M. L, P, M, point of concurrence is, see where these points meet, that is the point of concurrence. Point of intersection means point of concurrence. All the points that lie in this plane, you have to write all the points. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the points which lie on this plane. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Any two pairs you can write intersecting lines. This is P, this is N. So you can write PN intersecting. In intersecting you will take two lines only, others will concurrent. And in this is Q and this is M. So you can write Q, M. Intersecting lines means two. This also you can write R, L. You can write this also. So, but we have to write only two pairs, so we are writing two pairs. Now come to question number 9 in the figure. In this figure, you have to name the lines concurrent at D and B. At D, concurrent lines at D, L, M, N, and on B, at B we have Q, this one is L, and this one is R. So Q, L, R. Order can be changed. Point of concurrence of lines AD, AC and AB and AC. So first of all, at AD, AB and AC, because A is common on that and they will meet at A. So point of concurrence is A. Okay, this completes your worksheet 1 of unit 8, geometrical concepts. Have a nice day.